Go to your app store on your smartphone. In the search bar, type in August Smart Lock. Once found, you can download the app. From here, you'll be able to follow the prompts and sign in or create a new account to begin your process. Once you've created an account, you'll be able to access a digital keychain listing the homes you'd like to view. Once at a home, you'll be able to connect to the front door and unlock it. Once inside the home, using Alexa, you'll be able to turn on and off the house lights without needing to touch any switches or surfaces.
Alexa, turn on House 101 lights.
Okay.
Awesome.
You'll have the ability to view the entire home while communicating with your realtor via phone call or FaceTime. When you are finished viewing, you'll be able to access your app and lock the door securely behind you.